So one of the premier activities of the Huntington's Disease Society of America is our annual convention. And we do this every June. We move it around the country to make sure that we are at some point in time close to your community. And this year will be our 28th convention. It's in Jacksonville, Florida. And we are expecting over 1,000 people to come to Jacksonville for the largest family gathering in the world. There are other scientific meetings on Huntington's disease. There's a World Congress on Huntington's disease, but all of those have either more of a focus on science or a mixed clinical agenda, whereas ours is really about bringing families together to provide support, community, and information. And it's grown by leaps and bounds over the years. And we have a 2-day program focused on education for caregivers, for young adults, those living at risk, those who are symptomatic and at different stages of the disease. We bring in a lot of clinicians to provide access to information, to be a part of the dialogue. Science communities welcome and invited to talk about new developments, and we have some keynote speakers who keep the community up to speed and engaged on scientific progress. But really, and I think this speaks to the core of our organization, it's about bringing families together. HDSA was founded by the widow of Woody Guthrie, the folk singer. Marjorie Guthrie founded HDSA back in 1968 after her husband had passed, with a commitment to helping families who had been heretofore living in their own HD closet, but bringing people together around kitchen tables to talk about the challenges they were facing, the lack of expertise at that time in the medical community, and the voice that they needed to have on Capitol Hill. So following that kitchen table heritage, we bring people together at convention to talk about how we're doing, where we're going, and what we can look for.